Guys, we're seeing massive breakthroughs across the board for Bitcoin, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, XRP is going nuts. Altcoins in general are going nuts. But in yesterday's video, I said that time was starting to really run out here. And now that we have had a massive move towards the upside, the question I'm getting a lot right now is it time to start being cautious? Should we start to sell some crypto at this point? Guys, today I am going to talk about exactly that. I will back everything up here and I will tell you what I think is going to happen here. I will update you also on the 100x challenge as well as the trading strategies in general and much more. So make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Welcome back everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, guys. So first thing I want to say is congratulations to everyone who are still holding crypto. Yes, some altcoins are a little bit hit and miss today, but for the last 48 hours in general, altcoins have seen explosive moves towards the upside. Now, if we go back to Bitcoin here, you can see that not only have we broken out of this channel, which I outlined yesterday on the daily time frame, because it is downward sloping yellow line. Not only have we broken above that, you know that I said that we were going to squeeze in between my yellow line, my orange line at 99,800, or we would either have to break down from this point, the orange line, or we would have to break this downward sloping trend line. And I said that I think it's likely that we are going to break it towards the upside, and that is also what happened here. So you saw a break towards the upside. This is amazing. The next time we want to, or the next thing we want to see is for us to also break the previous swing high here to make sure that we establish and we kind of break the trend of making lower highs here. So if we can close above 100 and call it 102,500, that is going to be a massively bullish signal for Bitcoin. So that is what I am watching right now. Things are still going absolutely fantastic. I remain bullish and my target for this cycle remains somewhere in between $180,000 up to $280,000. Now, the conservative target, if we have a very disappointing cycle, I think between 150 to 180. But yeah, more likely, I think somewhere in between 180 to 280 for Bitcoin, and altcoins are about to go absolutely crazy. That is why in yesterday's video, I was counting down here saying that we're going to see a big move and that time was already starting to run out. And right now, we are at a very, very interesting spot for the market in general and for specific altcoins. So I'll go through that here in a bit. One thing I will say though, before I continue, is for my trading strategies, guys, if you have been using the XRP strategies or HBAR strategies or Cardano even, many of these ones have been updated right now. I've updated the settings for many of these altcoins. So go down to the description of this video. If you're using my strategies, click on this link right here, taking you here, and then make sure that you have, if you want to use the same settings I'm using, make sure that you are updated here. So yeah, that is very important also, so you don't miss out on potential gains. Now let us continue, and I will talk about the trading strategies more a little bit later. But for Ethereum, you can see that Ethereum has had a nice pump. I mean, it had a nice pump from the bottom here. It went up by 20%. But really, we want to start to see, and I think it's going to happen, guys, because yesterday we went down, found support of my orange line, and I think that Ethereum is going to start to run towards the upside as well. Remember, Ethereum has that ETF as well. So this is good to see. No trend line right here. But yeah, Ethereum, I'm expecting a nice move towards the upside. So I'm just waiting here, letting my trading strategies do the trading. In the meanwhile, taking advantage of this volatility. Solana had a nice move yesterday, guys. Big move for Solana from the bottom here. Solana is up. It went up by 30%, currently up 26%. So fantastic to see. We're above 210. The big next level of resistance will be the 222 level. If we look at this chart for Solana, the downward sloping trend line, you can see that we broke above it one time right here, just for us to break down again and come back down to the lower point here. Now let us see. Let's hope that this is not going to do the same thing. I don't think that this is going to do the same thing because I think we're in a bull market still, and I do think that we are ready for the next leg up. So I'm expecting more pumps for Solana here. So yeah, be prepared for that as well. I think that Solana is looking good here. Dogecoin is right below resistance, and this is going to be defended by the bears. Now, if we manage to break through this, then the next level really, first 41 cents, and then really I think we are going to make a push towards 48 cents here. So Dogecoin looking really, really amazing here as well, but we are right below resistance. And remember, right here, we failed to break it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then we went down. Now, before I talk about Cardano, XRP, and other altcoins, one thing I will say is that on Sunday, I have 2 huge videos. So for everyone that liked the video I made last Sunday, where I talked about what I see is happening behind the scenes, everything that's going on, and why I am massively bullish and why everything has changed. I talked about what I think that Donald Trump is going to do here when he becomes president. It got a lot of attention. It was shared by many people. So I'm going to do a follow-up on this on Sunday because I have some more data I need to share with you. Also on Sunday, I will make a video talking about how much XRP do you realistically need right now in order to become a millionaire in the future, or a millionaire even in this cycle in US dollar terms. So 2 huge videos on Sunday, guys. Make sure to subscribe, but more importantly, activate the bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release that video. Now let us jump to Cardano. Cardano has seen a nice pump towards the upside. We are approaching the resistance at $1.16 and breaking through that, breaking through 120. This is a cluster of resistance, but I believe we're gonna break through it eventually, but we are approaching these resistance points, so you need to be careful. But if we can break through that, then really the previous swing high here at $1.23, and then I'm expecting a nice move pretty quickly up to $1.46. So up to that point would be another 30%. So this is why I'm telling you guys, and why I told you yesterday, time is about to run out. And if you didn't get in during the last few days here, or even before that, then potentially you might not get a better opportunity than where we are at right now. Not financial advice, just saying what I am seeing on the charts and what I feel the market is going to do. XRP all-time high. Massive congratulations to the XRP holders out there. It's been a long way coming, but yeah, this is amazing to see. And this also means that a lot of retail are also entering into the crypto market, in my opinion. So this is fantastic to see. This is a good sign that XRP is going up. And right now we are on the daily time frame trying to break through my resistance point at $3.27. You can see we got rejected on this daily candle yesterday. But really, yeah, massively bullish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles in a row here if we close this green candle like this. So congratulations to all of the XRP holders out there. But the entire crypto market really is at a nice point because you can see we're right below resistance. Yes. Are we going to get rejected? Last time we were at this point, the crypto market did get rejected and we went down for the entire crypto market by 10%. So a lot of people got wrecked here, they got liquidated. If you didn't have a strategy to begin with, and if you weren't prepared for the pullbacks, a lot of people got liquidated. But if we, and I think that this is looking likely now, that we are going to break through this point. If we do that, I'm expecting a rather quick and nice pump up to 3.65 trillion, which is the next level of resistance, which would be another 4% for the entire crypto market, meaning that smaller altcoins and altcoins in general are most likely going to go nuts. So this is huge. And also if you look at the others chart, we're approaching resistance right here. Same thing here. If we break through this orange line at $374 billion, I'm expecting a nice and quick pump up to the next level of resistance. So this is cool to see. Everything is lining up here for altcoins and Bitcoin to have nice moves towards the upside. So I am happy about that. And congratulations, like I said, to everyone that are still in crypto and you didn't give up based on the pullbacks. Now, let me talk about the trading strategies. Of course, with this volatility, the trading strategies have been doing an amazing job. Currently, the Bitcoin trading strategy is up $330,000 since I opened it. So this is absolutely amazing. And this has been during 80 days. So this is fantastic to see. Congratulations to everyone who have been using these ones. Ethereum is up $123,000. you can see that Solana is up $150,000 and Doge is up $100,000. And for Cardano, annualized, we're up 830%. For XRP, we're up 1,650%. So obviously with XRP breaking new highs, and like I said, I have adjusted the settings here. So I am gonna probably make another adjustment today, guys. So always be on the lookout for this in the document here. But this is great to see, guys. All of these strategies, not all of them, but the major coins that we are covering here, they're all doing fantastic. So I'm very happy for everyone that have been making these gains. Now for the 100x challenge, you can see that we are up about, in general, like 2,500 because we added 2,250 here, and then we have another $350 in profit. What am I gonna do here? Ideally, I would want us to have another pullback. I don't necessarily think that that's going to happen, but I don't want to compound the $500 that the algorithm has made at these prices, because we're at 101. You know that when we were at $95,000, I said that I wanted to compound the profits that I had here, which was like 350 at $95,000, but I wasn't able to do that because, the structure of the bot here, they wanted to use this as extra margin to make sure that the liquidation price was nice and not too close. So that was unfortunate. If I would have compounded that at 95, of course, we have very strict rules here for the 100x challenge, guys. I cannot add more money. I can only essentially try to do my best here with the money I have. And I wasn't able to compound this at $95,000, which is a shame. But if I would have done that, of course, we would have made more profit. But I'm sticking to the strict rules, guys. I still think that we're going to reach 100x. We're going to make $1 million from the $10,000 investment. But it is going to take a lot of time, guys. It is going to take a lot of time. What I can do is I can release this profit right now. And I can release this, and I can essentially try to trade manually with that. So I could take that and try to enter into a nice altcoin setup. Maybe looking for a breakout on some of these altcoins that we're covering. I will see what I'm gonna do, guys, but I will of course keep you updated on everything that's going on. We have made $1 million in the past from $4,000. Now it's gonna be a little bit harder because we are at higher prices, and it's gonna take a lot of time, but I'm positive that that is going to happen. So that is great to see. I have a lot of more things to talk about, guys, but if you want to join my 100x challenge, or if you want to use the trading strategies for XRP, for Cardano, or any other altcoin, go down to the description of this video right now. Sign up to Pionex using this link right here. Claim the massive bonuses using this link right here. Then you can copy the Bitcoin bot, which is the same as the 100x challenge. With this link, you have Ethereum, Solana, Doge, and if you want to use it for any other altcoins, click on this link. Taking you here. Nope, it's taking you here. And here you can just go to the far right. You have the links here to open up whichever altcoin you want. You have over 200 altcoins here that you can use. So that is amazing to see. That is strategies. I even posted yesterday, like, congrats and enjoy the pumps for everyone that were checking the settings and everything. So that is great. Things are going up and I am very optimistic. Now, very important, on Monday, the traditional markets are actually going to be closed. So the US markets are going to be closed on Monday. And that is the same day when Donald Trump takes office. So we are able to, and because remember, Donald Trump is expected to issue a lot of executive orders also in regards to crypto. What is an executive order? It is essentially the president coming out, and he has the power to do this and say, like, I don't care about the Congress. I don't care about passing this through all of the different administrations. I want this right now, so it's going to happen right now. That is essentially what an executive order is. And he's expected to issue a lot of those. And some of them are going to be probably crypto related, maybe even a federal Bitcoin reserve. We will see, but whatever it is, the traditional markets are not going to be able to react to it on Monday. So we, of course, with crypto, it's 24/7, but traditional markets, they cannot buy Bitcoin until Tuesday. So we are able to potentially front run that. Like I said, I will talk more about this in a little bit. How big is the chances of Bitcoin actually becoming a Bitcoin strategic reserve for the US in the first 100 days? The market believes it's a 35% chance, but I will talk more about this in the video coming on Sunday, guys. So huge videos, 2 huge videos on Sunday, guys. Make sure to subscribe, activate the bell icon to see those being released. You get a notification as soon as I release those. Guys, that is what I got for you. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy your Friday, and I will see you guys in the next one tomorrow.